These Amazon kitchen gadgets look like actual magic tricks in real life. People can't believe gadget number 3 even exists, and number 27 is so insane it's going viral for no reason other than pure shock value. Simplify cooking with the utensil stir, the unique automatic pan stirrer. It stirs sauces, soups, and stews evenly, freeing your hands for multitasking. Featuring an LED speed indicator, it's perfect for precise, effortless cooking, making meal prep faster, easier, and mess-free. Grate, shred, and zest with ease using the Lantana stainless steel cheese grater with container. Featuring 6 essential grating functions from fine to coarse, a built-in container with lid, and a sturdy stainless steel design, it keeps your kitchen clean and efficient. Compact, versatile, and easy to use, all for just $18. Keep your kitchen organized with the Ashin Dechen 360 degrees rotating silverware organizer. This silverware caddy features 7 slots and an intermediate drainage system with a cover, perfect for spoons, forks, and utensils. Rotatable for easy access, it's ideal for daily use, parties, or countertop organization, stylish, functional, and mess-free. Cook healthier and tastier meals with the Aosian 6-quart 2-tier steamer pot. Featuring a non-stick ceramic coating, spacious 2-tier design, and included ladle, it's perfect for steaming vegetables, dumplings, soups, and stews with ease. Oven and dishwasher safe for simple cooking and cleanup, all for just $50. Compact, convenient, and perfect for cozy meals, the Tiama 1QT. White mini ceramic stew cooker makes cooking simple and stress-free. With easy preset functions, a built-in timer, and a durable ceramic pot, it's ideal for soups, stews, oatmeal, and more. At just $49, this mini cooker delivers warm, delicious meals with minimal effort. Shred meat in seconds with the Chicken Shredder Tool Twist, the fast and easy way to prepare chicken, pork, or beef for tacos, sandwiches, salads, and more. Simply place the meat inside and twist for perfectly shredded results every time. BPA-free, durable, and super easy to clean, all for just $7. Make perfect breakfast every time with this 4-pack silicone egg ring set. These non-stick, easy-to-use molds help you cook round eggs, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches, perfectly shaped to fit McMuffin-style biscuits. Make movie night snacks fast and fun with the Elite Gourmet EPM 330M automatic stirring popcorn maker. This 12-cup popcorn maker features automatic stirring for evenly popped kernels, a built-in reversible serving bowl, and a handy measuring cap for perfect portions every time. Safe, easy to use, and perfect for home parties and kids. All in a stylish mint design for just $26. Make perfect rice, grains, and oatmeal effortlessly with the Green Life ceramic non-stick rice cooker. Featuring a removable PFAS-free ceramic non-stick pot, one-switch operation, and automatic keep warm function, this compact cooker delivers easy, mess-free meals every time. Perfect for small kitchens and quick cooking, all for just $40. Upgrade your breakfast game with the Martha Stewart rotating waffle maker. Designed for perfectly golden, fluffy waffles every time. Its 180 degrees flip ensures even cooking, while PFAS-free non-stick plates make cleanup effortless. With an adjustable timer, ready light, and space-saving design, it's both smart and stylish. Grab this sleek stainless steel waffle maker for just $60. Serve snacks in style with this chip and dip serving set. Made from durable melamine, the divided tray keeps chips, dips, and appetizers organized and easy to access. Perfect for parties, game nights, or casual gatherings, it's both practical and elegant for any occasion. Start your morning the smart way with the classic Retro 3-in-1 breakfast station. This versatile cooking station includes an egg and veggie steamer, a non-stick griddle for bacon or pancakes, and a wide 2-slot toaster with toasting control. Compact and stylish, it lets you prepare a complete breakfast quickly and conveniently, all in one place. Blend smoothies on the go with the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender 51172. Featuring powerful stainless steel blades, a BPA-free 14-ounce travel cup, and a secure lid, it's perfect for quick shakes, smoothies, and healthy drinks anywhere. Compact, durable, and easy to clean. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the large extendable dish drying rack. Featuring an adjustable design that expands from 16.93 inch to 26.57. This heavy-duty steel rack fits almost any sink and offers plenty of space for dishes, utensils, and cookware. Complete with a multifunctional drain board for easy water flow, it's the perfect countertop organizer. All for just $40. Keep your sink clean and clog-free with the kitchen sink strainer with 200 mesh filter bags. Featuring a convenient basket holder and disposable mesh filter bags, it easily catches food scraps and leftovers for quick cleanup. Simple, hygienic, and perfect for every kitchen. All for just $17. Prep fresh meals in seconds with the JennaCook salad chopper with bowl. Featuring a large 8.5-cup glass bowl, this handy food chopper makes chopping salads, onions, vegetables, and more quick and effortless. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and designed for easy meal prep, it's the perfect kitchen tool for busy cooks. All for just $20. Make fresh, healthy baby meals in seconds with the baby food maker with glass bowl and stainless steel blades. Featuring durable 316 stainless steel blades, a BPA-free design, and a one-step blending system, it easily prepares smooth purees for babies 6+ months. Safe, dishwasher-friendly, and perfect for every stage of weaning. All for just $33. Cook and grill with less mess using this 2-in-1 oil brush bottle. Featuring a silicone brush head and durable borosilicate glass dispenser, it lets you brush and store oil in one handy tool. The leak-proof, no-drip design is perfect for BBQs, camping, and everyday cooking. Convenient, stylish, and only $14, a must-have kitchen gadget. Cook delicious family-sized meals with the NewWave Medley XL digital electric skillet. Featuring 2025 upgraded precision heating from 100 degrees to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, a spacious 7-quart capacity, PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating, and a glass lid for easy monitoring, this portable skillet is perfect for frying, grilling, and sautéing with ease. Powerful, versatile, and easy to clean, all for just $119. Treat yourself anytime with the Dash My Mug ice cream maker. The fun and easy way to make single servings of ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and more right at home. Featuring 2 bowls and a compact aqua design, it's simple to use, easy to clean, and perfect for quick homemade desserts. Enjoy delicious frozen treats for just $45. Make perfectly shaped burgers every time with the Peak Bar Burger Press Patty Maker. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a comfortable wood handle, this non-stick press helps create juicy, uniform patties in seconds. It also includes 100 patty papers for easy stacking and cleanup. Perfect for BBQs, grilling, and homemade burgers, all for just $13. Cook your favorite meals faster and easier with the versatile 2L electric steamer multifunctional cooker. Featuring a 2-liter ceramic glazed non-stick pot, dual power settings, quick heating, and overheat protection, it's perfect for steak, pasta, ramen, hot pot, and more. Compact, convenient, and easy to clean, all for just $58. Cook, grill, steam, and enjoy all your favorite meals with the N73 SNA Hot Pot Electric Non-Stick Multi-Cooker. This 2.5-quart portable cooker features a non-stick, PFOA-free design with adjustable power settings for everything from ramen and soup to steak and fried rice. Compact yet powerful, it's the perfect all-in-one kitchen companion for quick and delicious meals. All for just $100. Meet the Sturmax Midnight Blue 7.5-quart digital multi-cooker, your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. With an automatic stirring paddle and 9 smart presets, it sautés, sears, and simmers perfectly without constant attention. Effortless cooking, delicious results every time. Create fun, crinkle-cut fries and perfectly sliced vegetables with this crinkle cutter knife. Made from durable stainless steel, it easily cuts potatoes, carrots, and other veggies. Ideal for snacks, salads, and creative kitchen prep every time. Make quick, delicious meals with the Crock-Pot 2.5-quart casserole slow cooker. Its compact design is perfect for small kitchens while still delivering hearty, flavorful dishes. The eye-catching white and blue finish adds style to your countertop. Durable, easy to use, and ideal for everyday cooking. This slow cooker makes mealtime simple. All for just $39.99. Upgrade your cooking game with the NewWave Combi Steam Oven, just $360. This 16-quart multi-cooker combines air fry, steam, sous vide, and more with 120 presets and precise 50 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit control. With moisture control and a non-toxic stainless steel design, it delivers healthier, perfectly cooked meals with ease. Enjoy endless cooking possibilities with the versatile 2-in-1 hot pot and griddle cooker. Perfect for frying, grilling, boiling, and roasting, this all-in-one appliance features a durable die-cast aluminum body, eco-friendly non-stick coating, and powerful 1200W fast heating for delicious meals with less mess. Designed with safe insulated operation, a tempered glass lid, and compact plug-and-play convenience, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen, all for just $254. Handle hot dishes safely and easily with the Soliter plate gripper set. Perfect for instant pot accessories, air fryer pans, steamers, microwaves, and toaster ovens. These handy grippers help you lift hot plates and bowls without burns or spills. Durable, easy to use, and great for everyday cooking, this convenient 2-pack is a smart kitchen essential for just $20. Keep your fridge neat and efficient with the automatic rolling egg storage organizer. This space-saving holder neatly stores up to 28 eggs and automatically rolls them forward for easy access. Perfect for refrigerators, cabinets, or countertops. Its sleek white design keeps your kitchen organized and hassle-free every day. Cook perfect eggs and omelets with this ceramic egg frying pan. Non-stick and induction compatible, it holds up to 4 eggs and features a detachable handle for easy storage and serving. Comes with a lid to lock in heat and moisture. Durable, convenient, and stylish in blue for everyday cooking. Serve pizza like a pro with the 17 by 13.5 bamboo pizza peel cutting board 2-in-1. A stylish 2-in-1 pizza peel and cutting board made from durable bamboo. Featuring dual grip handles and a large surface, it's perfect for baking, slicing, and serving homemade pizzas with ease. This complete pizza accessory set brings restaurant-style convenience to your kitchen for just $34. Meet the Black Plus Decker 1.5-cup electric food chopper, compact, fast, and easy to use. With a 150W motor and stay-sharp blade, it chops ingredients in seconds using one-touch pulse control. Perfect for small prep tasks, and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple. All this convenience for just $16.99. Open any jar with ease using this mount-on-cabinet jar opener. Designed for weak hands and arthritis, its double U-shaped grooves grip all lid sizes securely. Durable 304 stainless steel and one-handed use make it a must-have kitchen helper. Cook your favorites with ease using the Dash Deluxe Everyday Griddle. Featuring a removable non-stick plate for quick cleaning, even heating, and an anti-slip base for stability. Perfect for pancakes, eggs, and more, plus a recipe book to inspire delicious meals every day. Slice like a pro with the Gramercy adjustable mandolin food slicer. Perfect for potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, onions, fruits, and more, it delivers fast, even cuts every time. Built with durable stainless steel and adjustable settings for precision slicing, it also includes cut-resistant gloves for added safety. At just $39.95, it's the ultimate kitchen tool for quick, effortless meal prep. Enjoy healthy cooking and soothing drinks with the Health Pot 1.5L double-layer glass electric kettle. This 9-in-1 programmable kettle lets you make soup, porridge, herbal tea, and more with ease. Featuring a stylish glass touch panel, stainless steel base, and double-layer glass design, it combines elegance and convenience for only $70. Quick, compact, and perfect for everyday meals. The Dezen Hot Pot Electric 2L Non-Stick Sauté Pan makes cooking easy anywhere. With adjustable power settings, rapid heating, and a non-stick design, It's ideal for ramen, steak, eggs, fried rice, soup, and more. Perfect for college dorms or small spaces, this portable cooker delivers convenience for just $33. Slice homemade bread perfectly every time with this bamboo bread slicer, just $40. Adjustable width guides help you cut even, consistent slices with ease, while the compact design saves space in your kitchen. Durable, eco-friendly, and simple to use, it's the perfect tool for fresh, bakery-style results at home. Make perfect crepes and tortillas anytime with the Sultan cordless electric crepe maker CM1337. Featuring a non-stick cooking surface, automatic temperature control, and a handy batter dish and spatula, it delivers smooth, evenly cooked crepes with ease. Portable, easy to use, and recipe-ready, all for just $47. Make breakfast faster and more fun with the Dash Multi-Mini Waffle Maker. Designed to cook 4 delicious mini waffles at once for the whole family. Featuring dual non-stick heating plates, a fast heating system, and an easy-release surface, it delivers perfect waffles every time with quick cleanup. Compact, stylish, and perfect for busy mornings. All for just $39. Make kitchen prep faster and easier with Gidley kitchen shears, your all-in-one cutting solution. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, these ultra-sharp scissors handle everything from meat to herbs with ease. Plus, you get bonus seafood scissors and a lifetime replacement warranty for peace of mind. Durable, versatile, and just $22, and essential for every kitchen. Serve desserts in style with the Funtry 300-pack mini dessert cups with spoons. Perfect for pudding, parfaits, ice cream, and appetizers, these reusable clear cups add elegance to weddings, birthdays, and parties. Convenient, durable, and party-ready, all for just $33. Simplify cleanup anywhere with this 2.4-gallon collapsible dish basin. The foldable design saves space, while the built-in drain plug makes emptying quick and mess-free. Perfect for dishes, washing veggies, camping, or even chilling drinks, your versatile, go-anywhere kitchen essential. Upgrade your baking game with the wooden rolling pin 17.6-inch. Crafted from durable beech wood with smooth rotating ergonomic handles for effortless rolling. Perfect for pizza, pastries, bread, and cookies, this classic dough roller gives you even results every time. And at just $8, it's a must-have kitchen essential for every home baker. Organize your kitchen with the Nischel wall-mounted cereal dispenser set. This 2-piece, 4.5L triple container design stores cereal, snacks, coffee beans, and more. With easy dispensing and a space-saving wall mount, it keeps food fresh, accessible, and your countertop clutter-free, perfect for modern kitchens. Cook hot, homemade meals anywhere with the Presto Nomad 6-quart traveling slow cooker. Featuring a spacious 6-quart capacity, secure locking lid, and durable design, it's perfect for travel, potlucks, and family gatherings. Easy to carry, reliable, and mess-free, all for just $85. Spread butter effortlessly with the Chef Master stainless steel butter spreader dispenser. Holds up to 3 sticks, 55 ounces, and features a smooth roller for buns, bread, griddles, and flat tops. Durable, dishwasher safe, and perfect for quick, mess-free serving. Peel, core, and slice fruits effortlessly with the upgraded apple peeler and corer. This manual rotating gadget works on apples, pears, and citrus, and comes with 2 replacement heads and a splitter for easy, precise prep. Start your day effortlessly with the Green Life 3-in-1 breakfast maker station. Featuring healthy ceramic non-stick dual griddles, it cooks eggs, meat, sausage, bacon, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches all at once. The 2-slice toast drawer and easy-to-use timer make breakfast prep simple and fast, helping you enjoy a delicious, complete meal in one convenient station. Make breading and frying easy with the Cook with Color collapsible batter bowl. Perfect for fried fish, chicken, wings, onion rings, and more. Mess-free design, collapsible for easy storage, and convenient for quick, tasty meals every time.